What a spot. Well, welcome back everyone. I might have to move to be able to have the fire. Sorry. There we go. Might have to move. I'm a little bit close. But what a spot, eh? Check this out. This is unreal. Camp there, water, and someone's even got a little fire pit in the water set up already. Oh, this is magic. This is what it's all about. Finding these little hidden gems around. Might even be able to go for a dip. Oh, beautiful. All right, Farmer Joe over there, but I don't think he's been up there for a while. And I don't think he's gonna, so I think I might set the car up and obviously a little bit further over and take from there. How good's that? We'll get new poles. This is the bit I always find hard, putting the poles on without the ladder. But that doesn't matter. We will make it work. Look at that, brand new. Woohoo! Brand new. I'm happy. I really am. Thanks to Rugged Rooftops for supplying once again, because I stuffed up. Come on. I think I might need the ladder. Leans out more. As I said last time, I just don't get that lean. There we go. That's better. All the way out. Twisty, twisty, upsy, boom. How quick and easy is that time? That is good. It's a warm Harvey, that's for sure. In the sun anyway. There we go. Now this spot is close to Perth, you wouldn't believe it. Probably with the train noise, might have given it away to a lot of you, but yeah, I am not complaining. Got some sheep up there, some neighbours, pretty cool. Oh, I gotta get the chair out. But yeah, I'll get the chair out, set up, finish setting up. Might put the awning out, I don't know yet. I'll see, that sun's going to drop pretty soon. Get down there, it'll be out of my way. It's like, so yeah, I might just leave it. Just leave it, I'll just get the chair out. Be back soon, enjoy the view. It's not ideal walking through a rocky creek bed barefoot. They're not all smooth. You think they would be, but they're not. Oh man, that looks, what a setup, eh? You got it, look at that. Do you need anything else? No, you don't. That is all you need. Done. I'm good. I'm happy. Oh, bit deep. Alright, that's all my wood. No, I got a bag there. It's alright. Oh shit. That should burn for a little bit, I reckon. Decent amount there. Enough for tonight. I won't need to get it going till sunset, till dark. So yeah, that should be good. Starting to think this isn't a good spot to camp. It's a beautiful location, but as you can hear, and you just heard, I got that to deal with. I'm hoping that's the only one. Luckily it was, well, I thought it was, yeah, short, just finished. Wasn't that long, so hopefully no more. Because this is a magic spot. But look at it. Fingers crossed that's the last one. Then he tooted again. Oh. Well, you can see the shadows are starting to really come across now. But it's only 3:30, so... Flies are a bit friendly, but that's just that time of the year. Oh, this is nice, without the trains. Here we go. Yep, here comes another one, just like the other one. Oh, it's a passenger one. That one's pretty quiet, I gotta say. How good is it, eh? So relaxing just sitting here. Can't believe I've been sitting here for probably 2.5 hours. Listening to the birds, the water flowing. I can feel the temperature dropping. Won't be long. Once that sun drops behind that hill there, it's going to get cold quick. Lucky I got jumper and trackies and socks and shoes. What I do like around here is there's no rubbish. Okay, I picked up one bottle top. And there's another one in the fire I've got to get out before I light it. But there is bugger all rubbish here. So no toilet paper, no nothing, which is good. I'm pretty stoked to see that so close to Perth. It's amazing. But that fire's nearly in the shadow. As soon as it is, I'm going to light it, because as you can tell, it's getting dark, starting to get cool. If I sit down, I'll have to put a jumper on, so. Oh, how good. I know I say it just about everywhere I go, but this is a magic spot, apart from the trains. Hopefully that is it. I am fingers crossed that is it. Like, it's 5 o'clock. Surely the train drivers are going to go now. Like, they're heading east, they've come back. That's got to be it. You'd think. Matzo and Corona. Not a bad drop. Should I light it? I think I should. It's in the shadow. I've got enough wood to last a while, so why not? Let's do it. There we go. Looks like a floating fire pit. How cool. That is going to burn really good. I can feel it. It is starting to get cool. Might have to put that jumper on sooner than later. Oh. Throw a couple of these logs on, get some coals going. It's not really taking off, this fire. I did throw some burnt bits on there that were around there. But yeah, it's starting to go now. That should burn. That sun is disappearing quick. I'm hoping all the bugs bugger off once that happens. So I even had some land in the dip when I was eating it. It's like to flick them out, get them out. Oh, how good. The wood's not going to last long. You can see that already. But hey, stop rubbing. The wood is better than nothing. Little fire. Maybe that's why the bugs have come. I don't know. Time will tell. So good. What a view, eh?